With this example I told you I was going to use, number one thing is to change the M to male. Maybe the person forgot, or that they told the person to be using M, then later told the person to use male. We use update the name of the table student, then set gender, which is the field name for what you want to change. Gender to be equals to male and not M, where ID is equals to 1. So here I'm trying to say I'm just going to explain this query now. One is telling me that I want to update this table, and the name of the table that we want to update a table. Then the name of the table is student, which is this particular table, because you might have multiple tables in a particular database. As this one is table, as the name of this one is student, you might have another table, a table called registration names or names of those that are registered, or whatever you call it. But then to specify the particular table you are trying to update, we will add the name of the table. So you are updating this table called student. Then you want to set then the name of the field name under where the record is. Here the record here is M, and we want to change it to male. So the male is under the column of gender, which is the field name. So the field name for this column here is gender. So we put gender is equals to male, where the ID is 1. So what it will do now is that it is going to go to the table here that is called student and look for the person that has an ID of 1. Then change the person's gender to male. Now you can use your up arrow key to see the last queries that you entered. Now the gender here is no longer M but male. So that's how we do it to update the table. And if you want to change everybody's, if you want to change maybe that the person that the thing you want to change is for everyone. For example, maybe it's for all the males that you want to change their name, their age to a particular thing. Then here, what you are setting, for example, if you want to set all the age of the male students here to be 18 years, it will be set age equals to 18, where, because if we use ID, what we have to do is where ID is equals to 1 or ID is equals to 3, which is Mike, or ID is equals to 4 or ID is equals to 6. But to just make it easy, we say where gender is equals to male. Don't forget our male is in capital letters, although I've not tried it with small letters. You come to your record and see that your gender is male, it will change your age to 18. If you notice, everybody, once the person's gender is male, the age is 18 because of what our query was here. So now Dennis is male, his age was changed to 18. Michael is male, his age was also changed to 18. Then Daniel is a male, his age was changed to 18. So now for Gold, she's a female here but doesn't have an age because we did not put it when we were setting it, we did not know the age For example, we don't know the age when we were trying to insert her record here. So maybe, for example, maybe she has told you her age and she tells you that she is 21 years and you want to input it now. You don't have to start deleting the row. All you have to do is the same way we updated the age and others, you just say update the name of the table and set age is equals to 21, where you can say where the name is equals to gold or where ID is equals to 2. But I'll not tell you to use the gender because she's not the only person that is a female. I'm going to use the ID because one person has a particular ID that is different from others. So you are not going to be seeing two people that will have the same ID, but you might be able to see two people that will have the same name and then people that will have the same age and the same gender. So here we have only one person named Gold. So if we say when name is equals to Gold, it will still work because it will still work and it only change this second record because after searching through you can see that this is the only row that has the name of Gold. So it will still work. But if we had maybe other rows that the person's name is Gold, it will go and start changing their age to 21. And we don't want that because the person's age might not be 21. I want to change only this person's age. You use the ID that is unique. So now let's see. Now the age has been updated to 21. So now you can update a table. So the next thing we'll do now is calling out a particular record or a particular column, which is field name.